10 real-life bridal looks of Bollywood actress that left us astonished. A wedding day is that one day about which every girl planned their whole life since their childhood to that very day. On that big day, girls want to look prettier than they ever looked in their entire life and enjoy every taste of their beauty. Perfect sari or lehenga with a proper jewelry set that enhances your beauty is not just limited to real life. There are several Bollywood actresses who have spent a screaming amount for their picture perfect wedding outfits in real life too. Today we take a look at the top 10 real life bridal looks of Bollywood actresses that left us astonished. Katrina Kaif. The newlywed bride of the town matched her personality perfect with her red Sabyasachi lehenga. Her lehenga was filled with intricate gold patterns and embellishment. Katrina lehenga was hand-woven matka silk with fine tila work and has essence of Punjab embroidery in it. Anushka Sharma. We still can't get over the bridal look of Anushka Sharma in her lush wedding ceremony. In pale pink lehenga with floral motifs designed by Sabyasachi, she not just made Virat fall head over heels, overswept many hearts as well. Deepika Padukone. The low-key wedding ceremony of Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh was a dream for many. To work the fairas, Deepika chose a red Sabyasachi lehenga for the Sindhi wedding ceremony, which had cost her 8.95 lakh. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra and American singer Nick Jonas made it more than one lavish weddings, but her wedding ceremony at the Royal Palace in Jodhpur caught many eyes. Her Christian wedding attire was a white gown with scalloped sleeves and a high neck collar designed by Ralph Lauren. It had an executive wheel that measured up to 75 feet. Sonam Kapoor. Style icon Sonam Kapoor and businessman Anand Ahuja had an intimate wedding at her aunt's palace in Bandra, Mumbai. Sonam wore a beautiful red lehenga designed by Anuradha Vakil at her wedding. The embroidery was made using the Kalabatu techniques with real gold and silver threads. Meera Rajput. The wife of Shahid Kapoor, Meera Kapoor may not be an actress, but when she came down SL in her pale pink lehenga, she robbed many hearts. Deriving reference from the European history, the traditional lehenga was both delicate and impactful in its appearance. Asin. It won't be an exaggeration to say that brilliant designer Sabyasachi could put actress Asin in the best of her spirit at her grand wedding gala. Asin Totumkal grabbed a beautiful and wondrous golden and biji lehenga for her special day and got herself loads of compliments. The designer added more of his skills to make the bridal couture lavish and epic. Kareena Kapoor. Due to marrying in a royal family, looking like a real-life queen was a necessity for Bollywood actress. Kareena Kapoor, who wore a lehenga that Sharmila Tagore herself for her nikah in 1962. Bipasha Basu. Yes, I know it's hard to come out of Bipasha's wedding to Karan Singh Grover. What is equally hard to forget is the Bollywood actress in bridal wear. The gorgeous Bengali bridal ensemble Bips was designed by Sabyasachi. Dia Mirza. Hyderabad-born beautiful Dia tied the knot with her filmmaker husband Sahil Sangha in Ritu Kumar's designed outfit, which had old Zardoshi craftsmanship. The bridal ensemble comprised of kurta, farsi pajama and a dupatta. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe this channel.